We're gonna do a recipe for repairing the gut lining, also good for gaining weight. Normally you have to use half of green banana, but I eat one banana. I don't have problem with sugar at the moment. Around 4 eggs. I use more eggs because I have more eggs now. You can use more cream if you don't have so many eggs. A mason jar, cream and honey. Okay, let's do it. Now let's see. First, I put the eggs. Like I told you, it's not exactly with the quantities in the recipe book. Aajonus. You can add, actually we can do the banana. I do whole banana because I want a little bit more carbs to gain a bit of fat. I'm a bit skinny at the moment. I add like this much honey. With cream. I have a unfinished jar of cream first. I avoided the tapping with the tablespoon on the sides of the mason jar glass because it happened to me that it broke small pieces of glass inside the jar, so it's dangerous to use it like this. This is how much I put to be full. Then have the Oster blender. These are the blades. I feed the cup perfectly. Very little air, very little air. You do this to avoid the oxidation of the nutrients, so we don't lose too much nutrients when we blend. Also, always blend your eggs with fat, with cream or butter or something to avoid losing nutrients from them. Then we do a little jiggle of the glass. Then we keep the hand here so it stays fixed. Smaller speed. Here it is. Perfect fast smoothie. And this should be consumed between 2 and 4, not later, not earlier. It has the fruit, the one fruit we can eat per day, how Aajonus says. And it's better to immediately just rinse with water, not tap water. Just no natural spring water if you have.